Learn how to link your MindTap course to your Brightspace D2L course effortlessly. This guide provides clear steps to connect, configure, and schedule your MindTap content within your Brightspace environment. Access your Brightspace course homepage to begin the integration process. Navigate to the Content section within your course menu to manage course materials. You'll need to enter the course key in the next screen, so highlight and copy it here. Initiate the MindTap integration by selecting the Link MindTap Now option. MindTap will open in a new window. Check the button for Copy another instructor's course with a course key. Paste the course key that you copied from the D2L screen. Verify the entered course key to confirm its validity and association. Continue to the next step after successful verification of your course key. Choose the start date for the term. Choose the end date for the term. Finish the setup process by clicking the Finish button to finalize the integration. This guide walked you through linking your MindTap course to your Brightspace course, including entering and verifying your course key, setting start and end dates, and finalizing the integration for seamless access.
Thank you for joining us today for another Tech Tip Tuesday. We hope that you find this tip helpful. Thank you for watching, and join us next week for our next Tech Tip Tuesday, brought to you by the Center for Teaching and Learning Excellence at St. Leo University.